Have you ever considered that sleep is not a state of inactivity, but rather a profound period of mental enhancement? Each night, you are gifted with a hidden superpower, a biological mechanism designed to upgrade your mind. This superpower is called REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep. It is not just a passive state of rest, it is an active, vibrant, and utterly essential phase of your sleep cycle. Think of it as a nightly software update for your brain, one that sharpens your memories, soothes your emotional wounds, and unlocks your creative potential. Without this critical phase of sleep, we are merely a fraction of our true selves, operating on a lower cognitive frequency. REM sleep is starkly different from the other stages of sleep. When you first drift off, you enter non-REM sleep, a period of deep, restorative rest where your body repairs tissues and your brain waves slow down considerably. But then, about 90 minutes into your slumber, something magical happens. Your brain bursts into a flurry of activity, almost as if you were wide awake. In fact, if we were to look at your brain activity on a scanner during REM sleep, it would be indistinguishable from your brain activity during a state of intense, focused wakefulness. This is the stage where the most fantastical, vivid, and emotionally charged dreams occur, a private theater of the mind that plays out every single night. This incredible neurological activity is why REM sleep is often called paradoxical sleep. While your brain is lighting up like a bustling city at midnight, your body is in a state of near complete stillness. The brainstem, a primitive part of your brain, sends a powerful signal down your spinal cord that temporarily paralyzes all the voluntary muscles of your body. It is a brilliant evolutionary safeguard, a natural safety feature that prevents you from physically acting out the wild adventures unfolding in your dreams. Imagine dreaming you are flying through the clouds or running a marathon. This paralysis ensures you remain safely tucked in your bed rather than leaping out of it. It is a beautiful paradox, a mind in full flight, anchored by a body at complete rest. The transition into REM sleep represents a remarkable shift in our biological rhythm. It is a testament to the intricate design of the human body, where different systems work in perfect harmony to achieve a state of holistic restoration. While non-REM sleep focuses on physical repair, REM sleep takes on the crucial task of mental and emotional maintenance. It is the time when your brain meticulously sorts through the experiences of the day, deciding what to keep and what to discard. This nightly ritual is not a luxury, but a fundamental necessity for a healthy mind. It is during these precious hours that we fine-tune our mental faculties, preparing ourselves for the challenges and opportunities of the coming day. The state of paralysis during REM sleep, known as muscle atonia, is one of nature's most fascinating and important inventions. It is a protective mechanism that creates a clear boundary between the world of your dreams and the physical world. Your brain effectively disconnects the mind's command center from the body's motor pathways. This allows your mind to roam free, to explore impossible scenarios, and to engage in elaborate narratives without any real-world consequences. You can fight dragons, converse with historical figures, or soar over vast landscapes, all from the safety of your bed. This temporary paralysis is the silent guardian of your sleep, ensuring your nocturnal adventures remain confined to the theater of your mind. But what happens when this protective mechanism fails? In very rare cases, this paralysis does not engage properly, leading to a condition known as REM Sleep Behavior Disorder, or RBD. Individuals with this disorder physically act out their dreams, often with dramatic and sometimes violent movements. They might shout, punch, kick, or even jump out of bed while they are still fast asleep, completely unaware of their actions. It is as if the firewall between the dream world and reality has been breached. RBD offers a startling glimpse into the raw power of our dreams and underscores the profound importance of the muscle paralysis that most of us experience every single night without a second thought. The existence of RBD serves as a powerful reminder of how intricately our sleep systems are designed. It highlights the delicate balance that our brain must maintain to provide us with restorative rest. For the vast majority of us, this system works flawlessly, night after night. The brainstem diligently performs its duty, sending the signal that keeps our bodies still while our minds embark on their nightly journeys. This allows the brain to engage in its vital work without interruption or physical risk. the stillness of the body is not a sign of weakness, but a sign of a healthy, well-functioning sleep cycle, a quiet testament to the brain's incredible ability to protect itself. Understanding this paradox helps us appreciate the true complexity of sleep. It is not merely about closing our eyes and shutting down for the night. It is an active, dynamic process with distinct stages, each serving a unique and vital purpose. The paralysis of REM sleep is a cornerstone of this process, a feature that enables the most profound benefits of dreaming to unfold safely. It is a nightly demonstration of the brain's power to create entire worlds while simultaneously ensuring our physical safety. This paradox is not a flaw, it is a feature, a beautifully engineered solution that allows us to experience the full richness of our inner lives. REM sleep is not just for creating fantastical stories, it is also a powerful form of overnight therapy. During this stage, your brain processes the emotional experiences of the day, particularly the difficult or painful ones. It acts like a soothing balm, stripping away the sharp, stressful edges of our memories while retaining the valuable lessons they hold. Think of it as an emotional reconciliation. The brain replays these events in a safe, dreamlike environment, untethered from the stressful chemicals that were present during the actual experience. This is why you can often wake up feeling better about something that was deeply upsetting the day before. REM sleep provides emotional clarity and helps us heal from within. Moreover, REM sleep is absolutely critical for consolidating memories and strengthening learning. Throughout the day, your brain acquires a vast amount of new information. During non-REM sleep, these new memories are initially stored. However, it is during REM sleep that these memories are integrated into the existing network of your knowledge. The brain selectively strengthens important connections and prunes away the less relevant ones. This process helps us build a more robust and interconnected web of information, making it easier to recall facts, master new skills, and understand complex concepts. A good night of REM sleep is like hiring a master librarian to organize your brain's vast library, ensuring every piece of information is filed correctly. This remarkable stage of sleep is also a hotbed of creativity. The unique chemical environment of the REM brain, combined with its hyper-associative state, creates the perfect conditions for novel ideas to emerge. The brain begins to connect disparate concepts and memories in ways it never would during the logical, constrained thinking of wakefulness. This is why so many artists, scientists, and innovators have reported finding solutions to complex problems in their dreams. The brain state of REM sleep allows us to think outside the box, to forge new pathways, and to see the world from a completely different perspective. It is a nightly brainstorming session with your most creative self. Finally, REM sleep is the gateway to the extraordinary experience of lucid dreaming. A lucid dream is one in which you become aware that you are dreaming while the dream is still happening. In this state, you can often exert some level of control over the dream's narrative, characters, and environment. It is the ultimate form of virtual reality, created entirely by your own mind. The ability to become conscious within your dream world opens up incredible possibilities for self-exploration, overcoming fears, and practicing skills in a perfectly safe setting. REM sleep provides the canvas upon which these incredible lucid experiences can be painted, offering a glimpse into the untapped potential of the human mind. Imagine your brain as a magnificent city. During the day, certain districts are bustling with activity while others remain quiet. But during REM sleep, the entire city lights up. Every street, every building, every pathway is illuminated and energized. This is not a chaotic surge of power. It is a highly organized and purposeful burst of neural activity. The brain is hard at work, performing its most critical maintenance and upgrades. It is forging new connections, solving problems, and healing emotional circuits. This nightly illumination is not something to be shortened or interrupted. It is the very process that refines who you are and prepares you for the person you are capable of becoming. This nightly regeneration is fundamental to our personal evolution. Just as a caterpillar must enter the chrysalis to transform into a butterfly, we must enter the state of sleep to transform into better versions of ourselves. Each night of rich, uninterrupted sleep, especially REM sleep, is a step forward in our personal growth. It enhances our ability to learn, to empathize, to create, and to be resilient in the face of adversity. To neglect sleep is to stunt this evolution, to willingly remain in a state of arrested development. Prioritizing your rest is one of the most powerful commitments you can make to your own long-term well-being and potential. The message is simple, yet profound. Good rest is the key to unlocking the superpower hidden within you. It is the foundation upon which a sharper mind, a healthier heart, and a more creative spirit are built. In our modern world, we are often encouraged to sacrifice sleep for the sake of productivity. But this is a deeply flawed and counterproductive strategy. The truth is that sleep is not the enemy of productivity. It is its most powerful partner. By embracing a full night of sleep and honoring its different stages, you are not being lazy. You are engaging in the most intelligent form of self-improvement available to humankind. Therefore, I urge you to reclaim your right to a full night's sleep. Protect it fiercely. See it not as lost time, but as an investment in your mental and emotional capital. Allow your brain the time it needs to light up the city, to run its diagnostics, and to perform its nightly magic. By doing so, you are not just sleeping. You are actively participating in your own evolution. You are awakening the genius that lies dormant within you, one dream at a time. Your future self, a healthier, wiser, and more creative version of you, will thank you for it. Sleep well and unlock your full potential.